By the time you hit your 50s and 60s, the game changes. You've spent decades building a career, raising a family, paying off debt, and maybe saving for retirement. Now, the focus shifts from accumulation to preservation and enjoyment. These decades are about securing the freedom you've earned while making intentional purchases that protect health, simplify life, and let you enjoy the fruits of your work. In this video, we'll explore the smartest purchases you can make in your 50s and 60s, financial tools, health upgrades, lifestyle simplifiers, and experiences that actually matter. These aren't about chasing status, they're about ensuring stability, freedom, and joy in the years ahead. The mindset shift, from building to enjoying and protecting. In your 20s and 30s, the focus was growth. In your 40s, it was optimization. By your 50s and 60s, the focus shifts to protecting what you've built, reducing risks, and investing in what gives you meaning. The best purchases now buy you health, peace, and time. 1. Retirement catch-up contributions and tax strategy. In your 50s, one of the best purchases you can make is maximizing catch-up contributions in retirement accounts, 401k, IRA, Roth, HSA if available. Hiring a retirement-focused CPA or financial planner is also essential. At this stage, the right tax strategy can save you tens of thousands and give you more peace in retirement. 2. Mortgage freedom or right-sizing your home. Carrying a mortgage into retirement can feel like a weight. If possible, pay off your home or downsize to something more manageable. Smaller homes mean lower taxes, utilities, and upkeep. This purchase isn't just financial, it's buying peace of mind and flexibility for your retirement years. 3. Long-term care insurance or a self-funding plan. Healthcare is one of the biggest wildcards in later life. A long-term care policy, purchased ideally in your 50s for lower rates, or a clear self-funding plan protects your family from financial strain. This isn't exciting, but it's one of the smartest purchases for long-term stability. 4. Estate planning upgrades. By your 50s and 60s, your estate plan should be airtight. This includes updated will and/or trust, power of attorney and healthcare directive, updated beneficiaries, funeral or burial preferences documented. Hiring a qualified attorney for this is money well spent. It buys your family clarity, avoids legal chaos, and ensures your wishes are respected. 5. Health investments that preserve quality of life. Health is wealth, especially now. The best purchases here include preventative screenings, colonoscopies, heart health, and cancer screenings. Fitness programs tailored for longevity, strength, mobility, balance. Sleep upgrades, new mattress, CPAP if prescribed, blackout curtains. Nutrition support, meal kits, supplements, or coaching where useful. Every dollar spent on prevention and maintenance buys years of independence. 6. Travel and experiences before you can't. The 50s and 60s are often peak go-go years, old enough to afford it, young enough to enjoy it. Prioritize travel, adventures, and family experiences now. Buy the trip with your partner, the reunion with old friends, or the cruise with your kids and grandkids. These are purchases that become lifelong memories. 7. Time-saving and stress-reducing services. By now, your time is priceless. Buying cleaning services, landscaping help, grocery delivery, or even part-time assistance isn't laziness, it's leverage. You're buying back energy for things you actually want to do. 8. A reliable, comfortable vehicle for the next 10 to 15 years. In your 50s and 60s, prioritize reliability, safety, and comfort. Buying a car now that can last well into retirement can reduce future stress and keep transportation simple. Look for vehicles with excellent safety features and low ongoing costs. 9. Technology that simplifies life. Tech isn't just for the young. Smart home devices, security systems, thermostats, medical alerts, tablets, or easy-to-use phones can improve safety and connectivity. Buy the tools that make your daily life easier, not trendier. 10. Hobby or passion investments. Your 50s and 60s are prime years to finally lean into hobbies: gardening, golf, photography, music, woodworking. Investing in quality gear for passions gives purpose and joy. These are not frivolous, they're essential for mental health and identity after work. 11. Charitable giving or legacy projects. One of the best purchases you can make is giving back. Donating to causes you care about, funding scholarships, or creating a legacy project brings fulfillment. This is buying meaning, an asset no market crash can erase. 12. Health insurance bridge if retiring before eligibility. If you plan to retire before Medicare or local equivalent, budget for gap coverage. This may mean COBRA, ACA marketplace plans, or private insurance. This purchase buys peace until you qualify for public coverage. 13. Home safety and comfort upgrades. Buy improvements that keep your home livable for decades. Walk-in shower or grab bars, better lighting, slip-resistant flooring, energy-efficient appliances. These purchases allow you to age in place gracefully, avoiding expensive assisted living too early. 14. Professional photography or memory capturing. Spend on family photos, videos, or documenting your life story. In your 50s and 60s, preserving memories is one of the most valuable purchases you can make. Future generations will thank you. The 90-day plan to upgrade your 50s and 60s. Month 1. Financial security. Max out catch-up contributions. Review mortgage strategy, pay off or downsize. Meet with a retirement-focused CPA or planner. Month 2. Health and lifestyle. Schedule screenings and checkups. Buy or upgrade fitness equipment or membership. Budget for one major family trip. Month 3. Future-proofing. Update estate plan and insurance. Make home safety upgrades. Explore hobbies or legacy projects. Case study snapshot. John and Maria, both in their early 50s, redirected $1,000 per month from lifestyle upgrades to max out retirement catch-ups. They downsized their home, freeing up $40,000 in equity. They purchased long-term care insurance and updated their wills. They bought a reliable SUV for future road trips and budgeted for annual family vacations. At 60, they felt financially secure, healthy, and rich in experiences, not just in money. The best purchases in your 50s and 60s are not about showing wealth. They're about securing it and enjoying it. Buy protection, insurance, estate plan, home safety. Buy compounding, retirement catch-ups, health investments. Buy joy, travel, hobbies, family experiences. Buy time, services, tech. Buy meaning, giving, legacy. Do this, and your retirement years will be less about worry and more about living. That's the real return on investment.